The RSMFG-3 sensor allows you to have an accurate measurement of ambient temperature, CO2, and relative humidity in closed rooms. It requires a supply voltage of 24 volts DC or 24 volts AC, and has 3 analog outputs, one for each measured value. The sensor is suited for a 3-wire connection, as the ground of the output, GND, is internally connected to the ground of the supply voltage. Inside the box you'll find the RSMFG-3 sensor, a small jumper that will be required if you need to perform a hardware reset of the product, and an installation guide. We suggest reading the installation instructions before installing the sensor in order to avoid damaging the product or sustaining injuries while connecting the power supply. Find one of the 2 narrow slits located on either the top or bottom of the sensor. Insert your flathead screwdriver and push gently inwards. This should release one of the tabs holding the cover in place. Locate the second tab and repeat. Once both tabs have been released, gently slide the cover up and to the left in order to release it from the 2 additional tabs that are holding it. Before we begin, let's go through the terminals that are available in this product. On the RSMFG-3, you have 2 groups of terminals. The first one is the input group, which consists of 4 terminals labeled with VIN, G, ND, A, and B. The input terminal is used to power the device and to let you control its functions. The settings of this sensor can be adjusted via Modbus RTU communication. The second group consists of 3 paired terminals, which are labeled A01 through A03, with their associated grounding terminals labeled with GND. These are output terminals which are used to control other devices based on the sensor's measurements. The A01 terminal pair works with the temperature sensor of the device, the A02 terminal pair is for humidity measurements, and the A03 pair is for using the CO2 measurements of the sensor. You can find this product's complete technical documentation and specifications at centera.eu.